Hello guys, this is Reese from Bommarito St. Peter's Volkswagen in St. Louis. Today I'm bringing you a 2024 Volkswagen ID.4 S rear-wheel drive. This particular one is Opal white pearl effect on the exterior with black leatherette interior. It features keyless entry on 2 doors, 20-inch machine black and silver alloy wheels, illuminated front and rear logos, LED headlights, turn signals and reverse lights, a panoramic glass roof, integrated turn signals in the mirrors, a power liftgate, park distance sensors front and rear, memory seats, massage seats. Let's take a look at the inside. As we open this guy up, piano black on the door handle right here with leatherette with the triple contrast stitch here on the arm pad. Bottle and cup storage down here. This looks a little different than previous. I think it's actually the same, but it seems like it might be different. I'm not 100% sure there. There's a look at your memory seat right here. 2-seat memory, massage seat for the third button there. Power lumbar, forward, back, up, and down. The seat back adjuster, all handled here. It does say ID etched into the leatherette right there. And as we climb in here, here's a look around. There's a look at your seats back there. Fold down armrest in the middle. And there's the black headliner and power sunshade there. I'll get to that in a minute. This one just came in, so it hasn't been charged yet. So it's at 17%, 48 miles of range. This does have the 62 kilowatt battery. There's 62 kilowatt hour battery on it instead of the 82. So it's going to have a little less range on it. And it is rear wheel drive. Your vents are set up here. They drop down below the infotainment screen over here and go over to this side here. You have the 12-inch screen right there. You do also have gloss black finish on this as well, flat silver finish on the top here. It's not really, I guess it's a gloss silver finish up top right here, and then it cuts to black right there. Into the door panel there's that contrast stitching again. There's another look at the ID etched into the leatherette right there. The shifter remains up here on the 62 kilowatt hour batteries. Rather than moving down below. We'll see later on the all-wheel drive versions with the 82 kilowatt hour battery, a new 15-inch screen, and also a new placement for the shifter. Capacitive touch on the steering wheel here. So your drive modes are here, and then you also have, I'm sorry, not drive modes, just your screen mode up here. And then you also have your view that you can adjust there. It's a telescoping wheel, so I can pull out, push in, raise it, lower it, lock it where I want, and set it back. The Volkswagen logo right there in the middle. Adaptive cruise control off to the left up here, and then your travel assist right there. I can swipe through view over here on this side here and change what's displayed there. When I move the steering wheel, if you didn't notice, the infotainment screen, or this screen right here, cluster, moves with it, so there's no bad view there. Your shifter's right up here on top. So I'm going to go ahead and show you that. Twist forward to go into drive. It's now in drive mode. It does have auto hold, so it's actually holding in place. If I switch again, I'm in regenerative braking mode, so it will actually brake. The car will actually slow down to about 3 miles an hour with that regenerative braking if you don't intervene. There's neutral, and then there's also reverse. Reverse has the trajectory steering and the wheel swing animation right here as well. So I turn the wheel left, I turn the wheel right, the yellow line moves accordingly. The red line signifies where the hatch opens at, and also where the bumper is, and then the green line signifies straight back. It does also have park assist, so I can actually do perpendicular parallel parking. I'm going to go ahead and put it in park here. And push the brake to activate it again. So on this screen here, I'll just do remind me later. Cancel, remind me later. Okay. Cancel search. All right, so we're going to get out of that and I'll show you your screen here. There's your navigation right there. FM radio right there. You have that, and then you also have your charging. It's going to actually come up here and show charge level here, 17%, 48 miles of range at 17%. Now, the way this charging works, if you ever got in this situation where you're at 17%, you're actually going to get into a turtle mode. I'm not sure what the percentage is, but the car will purposely slow down to conserve battery. And then I would highly recommend using regenerative braking if you're actually driving and you're in that situation. But you do have this split screen right here. I can swipe across. There's stuff inside of this one here. Long term, sense charge. Phone is right there as well. I don't have gesture control there. So there's Bluetooth, so you can hook up Apple CarPlay or Android Auto wirelessly. That will show up on this screen as well. There's a wireless charger down here. You just clip your phone in it. The back faces this guy right here, and it just clips in. 2 USB-Cs right here that I'm going to presume are also backlit, so you can see them at night there. Most other cars are like that now. Your cup holders are up here. More piano black around the edge here with a little bit of silver trim around the edge as well. Storage in here. The lining of this guy looks a little different here. Something's changed here. I'm not sure what it is, but this sleeve looks a little different. It's a plastic sleeve here, but it just looks different than what I remember seeing. The key fob has stayed the same. There's your unlock, the hatch release or open, and then also lock and the panic alarm with the Volkswagen logo on the back. In 2025, every Volkswagen will have this key fob, so they're unifying the key fob there. You do also have on this screen here, on this touch screen here, the navigation, vehicle, charging, app connect, which allows you to do that wireless charging, the sound system here. This isn't going to be Harman Kardon or anything like that, but you do have a nice little system in here as well. Nice flat dash up there. Great visibility. This one has an auto dimming mirror. It's not the home link mirror, it's just an auto dimming mirror. You have a vanity mirror on each side with LED lighting, of course, for each of those on each side. And we have this sunshade. I'll open this here. This is not a sunroof. It's just a glass roof. So panoramic glass roof that goes back and reveals this giant panel of glass here. So used to calling that a sunroof. Adjustable headrest right there with the button on the side, contrast stitching there as well. The passenger seat over here on this side is also power. So you've got a memory seat there and massage seat as well right there on that side. The power lumbar is there, and then also forward back, up and down, and seat back adjust there. In the glove box here, there's your manuals right there, tire warranty as well. Very nice. We're going to hop out and look at the back here. Now the trick is, when you get out, to keep the car on and idle, and push that start button again with the key inside. Now I can come back here and open up the back. There's more of that leatherette right here on the arm pad with the triple contrast stitch here. One touch up, one touch down on your windows. Here's a look through the back. I forgot to go over the window sticker, so we'll go over that real quick. This one comes in at $47,406. Extras on this one include $395 for the Opal white pearl effect paint, $646 for the ID.4 charging and protection package, which is a 2-in-1 cable, the EV charging cable, all weather mats, which are a monster match of rubber mats, heavy duty trunk liner, and cargo blocks. Also a 3rd year of prepaid maintenance for $85, $1425 for destination brings you to $47,406. Now let's take a look at the back here. More piano black right here, and then you have a pocket down here for storage as well. Climbing in the back here, this seat's actually reclined a little bit. I'm going to move it up a little bit there. I have a pocket down here as I'm wearing my Volkswagen Bus socks. The Buzz, ID Buzz, is coming soon, so we'll have that to show you as well. A pocket up here. Instead of 2 phone pockets, it's 1 right now on this one, and over here as well. They used to do 2 up here. 2 USB-Cs back here. They're also backlit so you can see them at night. Little storage cubby there. Your vents right here. Here's a look up front. Instrument cluster. That glass roof. You also have LED side lights. Car seat hookups there. And also here. A fold down armrest in the middle. Squishy yet firm. And it's also a pass-through if you decide you need to pass through there. Adjustable headrests on all 3 seats. Let's take a look at the back. There's a look at your wheels right there. Go ahead and shut these doors. Come around to the back here. Down here all the way at the bottom, just above the license plate, is the trigger to open the rear hatch. Charging cable is going to come in this box, a 2-in-1 cable. There's your mats right there, front license plate on this one, and then also cargo blocks here. Carpeted floor here for that cargo protection system right there. This one does have a shelf underneath. So there's actually another floor piece down here. We'll push this back here. So now you've got that. So there's a shelf there, or a cover there for creating a shelf, and then this one up top. Can affix it flat down below. These do not come with a spare. Cargo blocks there, and the pass-through tie downs for cargo luggage nets up there and back here in the back. Privacy cover here that comes standard with the car here. It hooks on here and here, covers your goodies in the back so people can't see them. And then there's your power lift gate, which is also adjustable. ID.4 also has on the rear view camera a camera wash. Tiguan and ID.4 those are two cars that have a camera wash. I believe the new 2024 Atlas also has a camera wash now, so that's a new feature. So if it gets grimy, you just spray it with washer fluid. This car will come with a 4-year 50,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty on it. It includes 3 years of included maintenance on the car. Maintenance on this car is going to be fluid top-offs, tire rotations. There are no oil changes on this one, being it's an EV. Also, if you buy from me, you're going to get an additional 3 years of free maintenance on that car. So a total of 6 years. Now that's a local deal only. You have to come to my dealership to get those, but we will honor those, give you six years of free maintenance, or 10,000 miles between each one, so 60,000 miles. If you're interested in this car, give me a call. 636-290-4257, 636-290-4257. I'm on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram at Reese Sells Cars. Thanks a lot, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy, have a great day.